What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Hour, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Hour. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some shrimp tacos. So, I want to get it done. Let's go. Come on, shrimpy. It's taco time. Oh! That's right, buddy boy. Shrimp tacos. And you're saying to yourself, like, oh, did you win the lottery last night? No, I didn't. Wish I did. But I got paid today. And see, that's the thing, baby. In today's climate, with the gas prices and the inflation, like a Macy's Day balloon just blowing up and riding on down the street, times are tough. So when you get paid, you got to enjoy just a little bit of it. And that's what I'm doing tonight. I'm going a little extra, baby. A little good. I'm in here celebrating like ABBA. I'm singing, having the time of my life. So, first thing that you got to do tonight to make a shrimp taco, get some shrimp. And you're saying, Black Owl, I know damn well that you weren't out there fishing in good old Missouri and got some shrimp. Well, you're right again, buddy. 2 for 2. I went to the old Wally World and got me a bag of those frozen shrimp. Tail on, of course. But we don't want no tail tonight. We don't want no Sonic number 2. We got to take them tails off. And so what I do, you can thaw the shrimp out a day or so ahead of time if you want to do that. But you know me. And you know what I'm going to say. I got time for that shit. But I do got time for this. Woo! Mango. So you take the tail off. You soak it in the hot water. Take the tail off. Get it over here to where we need to be. And you put it in your pan, baby. You got that pan hot, and it's hot to trot. And then we're going to put them shrimps in there. Now, thing about seafood, any kind of seafood that you can see, it cooks fast, baby. Fast, 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 fast. So you want to watch it, flip it, turn it. Don't let it get stuck to the bottom and burn the bottom, baby. You gotta watch it because these shrimps won't take more than, I would say, 7 minutes tops to cook. And about the time that they're looking right, as a shrimp does, it will shrink, a shrinking shrimp. And you can go ahead and turn that heat down and off and take the thing out. And go ahead and put your seasoning on. You're saying, Black, I want seasoning. You got some seasoning? I do indeed. It is taco seasoning, the great value kind. Now, Black Owl, could you make your own seasoning? Of course. Could you season how you want? Sure. But I ain't got time for that shit. I got the taco seasoning today. Once again, cheers to you. Let's get her done and through. Now, we have the shrimp, we have the seasoning on. I went ahead and while the shrimp were cooking, cut up some vegetables because I kind of wanted a Mediterranean feel for this. I wanted something nice, I wanted something classy and cool like Ricardo Montalban. So, I took some red onions, cut them up into fine little slivers, and a little bit of lettuce, and kind of just pulled it apart. Didn't really cut it, didn't really shred it. I wanted some big pieces on there, baby. Kind of that fresh feel. It's a little hot outside. So we're going to take our tortilla in today, just some old flour fajita tortilla. Slap it down on there. Let's get our spatula, and we are going to get to stroking like Clarence Carter. And put some shrimp on top. Good stuff. Actually, you know what? Let's stop what we're doing right there. Pick that shrimp back up and put it back in there. We're not going to make that mistake again. Let's start with the lettuce. Listen to me. Because, I want that fresh bite first of all. Put that lettuce down there on top and use a heaping helping, sir. Good stuff. Now, let's get to that shrimp. You see, you got to correct your game. You got to call an audible every once in a while like John Madden. So, we are going to put the shrimp on top. And man, I got to tell you, it already looks almost as beautiful as Molly Ringwald in that Pretty in Pink. So, put a little bit more shrimp, just for me. Good. Now, let's move on to them spicy onions, baby, because I love the spice of life, and you know that. And just a little bit to dazzle things up and kind of change the flavor profile. Now, you're saying to yourself, like, oh, I know you're a saucy man, and speaking of which, I will allow you to have a drink. Thank you. I appreciate it. Gotta hurry. Gotta get another. So, Sauce. We got to have some sauce, baby. And today, I figured, let's use some zesty ranch. It'll kind of play with that seafood flavor, the lettuce, the onions. It'll make everything good, 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 good. So, let's do a little shake, a little shimmy, and pour some sauce on top. Not too much, but just enough to kind of grease the transmission. Now, that looks so good. And I want you to come in and look at it too. So, let's come have a sight. We're going to have a bite, and we're going to have a beautiful time tonight with these shrimp tacos, baby. Ooh! Alright, baby, the time has come. The shrimp taco is done. And I'm having the first bite. For me, so. Let me get a hold of it here. Come here, you. Try to keep everything in there, too. Finger licking good. Oh! You know, that taco is everything I wanted. And it's everything I need. And it is so beautiful to me. And y'all are beautiful too. And I want to thank you for watching another episode of Cooking with Black Olive. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. So, y'all have a good one. Enjoy them shrimp tacos. And I'll talk to you later. I gotta go. Excuse me.